AI is getting crazy. Imagine swapping faces in a video, editing photos, or even turning a single image into a full cinematic clip. Today I'll show you 3 mind-blowing AI tools inside AISaver. And trust me, the results will shock you. Step 1. Let's begin. AISaver is an online AI toolbox for image and video editing, face swaps, image to video, enhancers, and dozens more. It's web-based, fast, and surprisingly accurate. First, click the AISaver link in the description below. That opens the homepage. To follow along, click Sign Up to create an account and free credits to claim freebies. Step 2. AI Video Face Swap. Let's start with the star of the show, AI Video Face Swap. Just product and click All Tools. From the Tools page, I click on Video Face Swap, and this dashboard opens up. First, I upload my original video on the left, then a face image that I want to swap into it. Right here, you can trim your video, so I'll quickly adjust the duration. Next, you choose the swap model. I'll go with Pro 2.0 for the best results. And now, just click Swap Now. The AI processes the video, and after a short wait, boom, look at that. The face is swapped seamlessly, and it honestly looks like real footage. That's insane. Step 3. AI Image Face Swap. Now let's switch to something quicker, AI Image Face Swap. From the Tools page, I click Image Face Swap. Here, you just upload a photo with a face, then upload the target face you want to insert. Click Swap Now, and in just a moment, done. The result is right here, and it looks super realistic. You can even download it instantly. Step 4. AI Image to Video Generator. Okay, time for my favorite, AI Image to Video Generator. In the Tools category from the Video Tools section, I select Image to Video. This one's wild. You upload any image, I'll drop in this landscape photo. Then you write a short prompt to tell the AI what to animate. For example, animate the ocean waves gently moving, palm leaves swaying in the breeze with a warm golden sunset. You can also pick camera styles like low angle or overhead. Once ready, hit Generate Now. And just watch this. The still photo is alive, moving like a real cinematic shot. That's next level. And that's not all. AISaver also has crazy tools like AI Kiss Video Generator, AI Video Enhancer, and even an AI Cartoon Transformer for turning photos into anime-style art. If you want to try these yourself, I'll leave the link below. Go explore and have fun, because honestly, this platform has way more hidden gems than I could cover in one video. And if you want to see YouTube automation, then watch the left one. And for the music generator battle, watch the right one.